So ethical dilemma is like situation when the person has to choose between two competent values, or a right or wrong value, or two wrong values. So there's a difference between ethical dilemmas and conflict of interest. Ethical dilemmas are different. Conflict of interest arises when you are giving preference to your public life over the professional life. So why do ethical dilemma like? Because we have limited resources and multiple aspiration. So we have LR, limited resources, and MA, multiple aspiration, limited resources and multiple aspirations. So limited resources, we can take it to the multiple destination, multiple aspirations. So dilemma may be that we'll have to use resources for education versus health. So poor ethical standard of civil servant, poor ethical standard of civil services, and sometimes there is a conflicting laws. For example, RTI versus Official Secret Acts. So the conflicting laws. So multicultural and diverse society like India also give rise to ethical dilemmas. Then there is a multiple decision making body. There's a senior and say something and my conscience is something else. So there are multiple decision making bodies. So choose between these two options lead to ethical dilemmas. Then changing values with time, and our ethical standard have not changed so fast as time changes, so that also lead to ethical dilemmas. So ethical dilemma in the case of economy versus environment, that we will have to focus on economy, increasing development of the country, or environment. We'll have to protect the environment, wildlife, lakes, forest. For example, economic growth and environment. Suppose mining of the minerals. We need to mine minerals and we'll have to utilize it, or we'll have to protect the environment as well. In transparency and national interest, law and order versus national interest, following the order of the senior or the rules. So following the order of the senior, like politician or rules. The following the order of the senior versus following rules and regulations. Efficiency versus economy, equity versus equality. The national interest versus international common good. National interest versus international common good. For example, Rohingya case, national interest versus international common good. So we consider India as a part of the global family through the concept of Vachurit Kudumbakam. At the same time, we are not allowing Rohingya. So there is a conflict between the value of the national interest and international common good. Then short-term plus long-term interest. Then public security versus human right. So public security. So short-term, long-term goal, public security versus human right. Public security versus human right. जैसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट केस में हम आसपा देखते हैं या जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में देखते हैं. So आसपा, for example, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, तो sometimes we need stricter laws and stricter regulation. On the other hand, there is sometimes they're seen as a violation of human right. So personal ethics versus professional ethics. For example, treating a terrorist, treating a rapist. Your personal ethics may not allow you to work, but your professional ethics will guide you to save the life of the patient. So while following the values, we have to keep constitutional morality at the top, and keeping Gandhiji talisman and Sarvodaya through Antyodaya concept at the top, so that your every action should benefit the poor and the vulnerable section. Having the clear code of conduct and code of ethics. So clear code of conduct and code of ethics. And ethical training of the civil servants is important. So upholding constitutional morality and following the middle path as given by Buddha. Middle path. Never take extreme decision, follow the middle path as emphasized by Buddha.